Yes, this is also amazing. Today on D11 the paper 2025 we have Paturintie 6 staircase A. You can also watch the staircase B here. It's also in Turenki, Janakkala, Finland, built by ValmetSchlieren in 1978. And the 6 floors. Silver spheres at 53, 62, maybe the beginning of 1978. I like the smell here.
So,
Best is for percentage backgrounds. The more rare here, of course.
yeah.
So many stickers.
Yeah. Is it like you asked that maintenance autossa on every gratis?
Used to be K on the door before.
Yeah.
And then they changed, and then this is a spare part probably.
Yeah.
The door numbers look like they're from the 1990s maybe.
Yeah.
I don't think the door numbers are original here. Because they would be the Valmet's,
Yeah.
they're not. So I believe these doors were repainted in the 90s.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks so much. You can see that in this in the 90s.
Yeah. That's